Sending TOEFL and IELTS scores to universities, a step-by-step guide. Hello learners! Welcome back to our series on understanding TOEFL and IELTS scores. Today, we will dive deep into an essential aspect: sending your scores to universities and institutions. If you've ever wondered about the correct process or the do's and don'ts of sending scores, this video is for you. When you're applying to study abroad, institutions want to know your proficiency in English. This is where TOEFL and IELTS come in. They're standardized tests that measure your ability to use and understand English. Highlight: sending your scores is the way to officially inform universities of your test performance. Without this, your application might be incomplete. For those who've taken the TOEFL: 1. Log into your ETS account. 2. Go to the View Scores section. 3. Select Send Additional Score Reports. 4. Choose the institutions by searching for their names. 5. Confirm your choices and make the payment. Note: ETS offers you the option to send scores to 4 institutions for free. Any additional reports will come at a cost. For IELTS takers: 1. Log into the account where you registered for your test. 2. Navigate to the Send Scores or Score Reporting section. 3. Search and select the institutions you want to send your scores to. 4. Fill in any required details. 5. Confirm and, if necessary, pay the associated fee. Highlight: TRFs, test report forms, can be sent directly to the institutions. Some institutions prefer electronic copies while others might want a paper copy, so always check their requirements. 1. Always double-check the university's requirements. Some might have specific score criteria or department codes. 2. Timing matters. It takes time for scores to be sent and processed. Send your scores well in advance of application deadlines. 3. Keep a record. Always save your score report receipts or any confirmation emails you receive. 4. Avoid last-minute decisions. Choose your universities wisely before you even take the test. This will save you both time and money. Sending your TOEFL or IELTS scores to universities is an integral part of your journey to study abroad. By understanding the process and staying organized, you'll ensure your application stands out for all the right reasons. We hope this video made the process clearer for you. Best of luck with your applications, and remember, preparation is the key. See you in the next video.